Welcome to the third video on getting it done, Spreadsheets with V2SDK. Spreadsheets are software used to create budgets, track expenses, manage inventory, perform calculations, and many other things. Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice Calc are software found in productivity suites that help you organize, analyze, manipulate, and do a lot more with data efficiently in rows and columns. Their features include formulas, functions, charts, tables, pivot tables, and more. While Microsoft Excel seamlessly integrates with Microsoft 365 products, Google Sheets has many of the same features, and they both allow real-time collaboration. They also allow access from any device with an internet connection, which is usually synchronized with your email. Both of these, Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, are subscription-based services, but LibreOffice Calc works with multiple file formats and is completely free to download and use online or offline. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is V2SDK. You already know.